Yes, so Oshegwe, finally, my people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Una welcome to our Bunga program, Iziga, when we say na crime and security. Now we talk about for this particular program. Well, my mind is suit me well, say I know so na kanda gidigba for now various places. Now want watch the Ogbonge Tori we will get for Iziga for this week. As they always they talk, una know the reason why we greetings for this program. Now, sake of say no time where crime no they happen. If they happen in the morning, if they happen in the afternoon, if they happen in the evening. That is why at any particular time when this crime happen, once Iziga crew hear of this particular matter, we go reach there, go find out what it really happen. How this kind of work can happen, so how we go fit prevent them. And then we would let people of the general public make them know how they will fit take care of themselves in terms of security matter. Well, my name now Wellington Akodeja Osaze equally day here.
My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Una know say as in talk just now, now be our special greeting for this program. Anyhow, we don't come. Quick, we can take una through all the security numbers we will get. First number na the one when it concern police home. Now in this screen so. Make you carry barrel, make you write them down. In case any yawa dey your area, kia, when you call this number, before you know, police on the area. They don't go ransack the people when they be say the matter concern. Then this other number, so, and the one way concern NDLEA. This number, in case you hear some kind for area, your nose, they give you some kind smell. And you not come to understand. So what you will just do is to investigate. When you investigate, see where they happen. You will call this NDLEA. Before you know, they don't come near you. They don't come ransack the place. And this other number where you see so, and the one will concern Civil Defense Corps. This number, once you call and at the operation room, now you call. And quick. They go fall in the way you not to expect, because they themselves they don't do like police now, and they arm, as some people they talk, they are armed to the teeth. So when they come, they will carry out their duties the way supposed. Then this other last number where you see so, and the one will concern fire service. Fire they happen, they give invitation card. So when you come like that, you don't try and you don't fit quench am. You go call this fire service. They will come help on a quench am. So all this now the number when you be say you will call in case any yawa the area.
Yes, so my people, before we go to the top Ogbonge Tori for Iziga for this week, now see check on our screen there, and I go see the presenter's number, the day there. That one of the producer equally day there. Now, fish send us messages on WhatsApp and even SMS go still go. True course, now fish still reach us on this particular program. Well, make we go for a small break. As soon as we come, we knock on a top Ogbonge Tori for Iziga for this week. Okay, oh my people. 3 young mechanics don't enter pepper soup for inside police cell sake of say they find gun for inside their apartment. Police say ringleader when carry out operation for when it leads to the kidnapping of the managing director of Ogba Zoological Garden for inside Edo State. He said they don't babamo. You go remember say some time ago they don't arrest some persons when confessed to have committed the act to have kidnapped the managing director of Ogbazo NBC, named Mr. Andy Ihanire. Well, in the course of this program, we'll tell the guy may still let us know what happened for this particular one. Well, our lab story for Iziga for this will say suspected cultists don't enter Wahala as vigilante leak their secret to police. As we talk to you now, they don't do inside police cell, don't they dim eye point. As according to as we see them, my people, this one are the 3 Ogbonge Tori for Iziga for this week. My people, you dey know way wetin we dey always dey talk for this program. Say this program not be to criticize anybody, na to show people say make dem remove am comot for bad thing. This one come happen when be say Edo State Police Commissioner, when be say him name na Mr. Dan Mala Mohammed, call all the Tatafo people, come dey let us know say see wetin dey happen for Ogbonge Nigeria. He say because this one when be say the Inspector General of Police deploy to Edo State, say na to ensure say they reduce crime to the barest for inside the state. So I come happen when cause say 3 young mechanics when be say he say according to Ram, he say they be allies of armed robbery because the people when go do the arrest now they call see gun inside their custody. So as we call, they ask all those people, they tell us say now one person I can give their gun, now friends it be now this one it be. Well, we could hear from the 3 suspects. May they let us know what they really carry them, go put them for inside police custody. Pitikon.
Now, my friend, I give me gun. Oh, me they sleep. I they sleep for night. When they go rob, they be silly. After they go rob, we there say today hear the gunshot. Now they run enter room, no come lock door. They don't say they come out. They come enter our house. They come give me one bag across the bar. Me no see na gun there say. As all those units take come on, they come see the and they all those boys see all those units. Now they take run. All those units come to see they see this hour. They come start to start the room. They say now they come take carry the bar. Say who get the bar? Me can't deny. I can't deny. Say no be me they give. Oh, that fear and me can't deny. Say no be me they give. Oh. We later they come carry us go Ugbekun that night. After they beat us, they come carry us go Ugbekun. They come ask me now. Come tell they say now they give me when they come. After they don't go rob that night, then they come give me the gun.
You know they joined the rob?
No.
Which work did you work?
Sir, I'm mechanic I learn.
You did do mechanic?
Yes. Back.
You did court? Which court you joined?
Panama court.
So you don't know the kind of friends where you move with?
Sir.
You don't know the kind of friends where you
Shema will be small because they big pass of the fear. They call the wala every night.
Which area this thing?
3 years. Yes, old road.
So you never rob before?
No.
What would be your advice to people when they move with big people when they don't know?
Now this thing now.
What would be the thing?
This punishment. They gone cut aside. Now those boys now the one those boys give us.
You don't know say gun inside there?
The bag. They don't give me after they take serious net, then they take wrong.
They can't give you?
Yeah.
You don't know say gun inside?
Now bag cross the bar, now they put on.
Who be the people say?
They call one Junior. Me don't know the 2 boys' name. I let Junior me all know.
What would be your own name?
My name now Ogbe. Ogbe.
How you don't know this one?
Now the same house now we do.
My sir.
Where you coming?
Oh, no, this one of my friend. So this boy, all of us we work together. But there is me. I do mechanic.
Okay.
So as we work together now, this one plus this one, I go watch ball that day. I knock quick on. They don't lock our door. Around after 7. Let me tell Eta because they sit there. Say me or Eta, as me or the me or grade they finish. Me Eta said their room. Now so me also how they sleep. Before all this thing, before all these boys come, where they give their bag. Before they ever collect the bag, before these boys first they give their bag. Me never know, me they sleep. Now where all those do Nigeria they come, they sit they come. They go to class and knock me for listen sleep and let me for wake up. Me never see the gun for her. Me never know about the gun.
You know say this your friend, get friends like that?
No, I don't know.
What you know concerning this friend?
No, sir. Now sleep now they sleep. Sleep now cause this I sleep now they wake me say now every night they wake me say see something. I mean to look now and they start to beat us. They start to they start to beat us now. I thought say I don't know enough for this matter. And they carry us go the market carry us go yes.
So no, you don't know the kind of friends where you move with.
No.
You don't know say one of your friends get friends where be robbers.
No. As we cut it now the market carry us go yes. They come start to beat us and they beat us. And I think for that place carry us go Beku. From Beku carry us come here.
my brother, something they happen, oh, you don't hear them. So this one say na so Mokete John fair fly gutter. This one say as they come not be na their friends, so, but the big pass us, the big pass them. They know they follow the waka. This one, they don't know say gone inside. They call they tell us now say vigilante when come trace the matter, come meet there for where they dey for inside their place. Na live vigilante they talk. Because the matter tire me now, because if you look at the narration of the three of them, they say they don't do anything, they don't know anything. This one a mechanic, this one a mechanic, this one a mechanic. Where when I call for make friend, where call be arm robber, where carry gun waka?
My brother, see me. Now question where they ask. And you know what you train me pass Akodeja?
No.
All these people so when they see for TV so they be small boys.
Yes, I think the highest should be around that 18 years or thereabout.
No sure. You just give that name.
Okay.
This one are between 14 to 16 years. Sit there now. Imagine. Which means if this society where we do so, if we not careful, small children, like those Liberian war that year, small children will feel they know how to maneuver gun. Because this boy now, ain't not the dinner. What? Now only God know who used it to divide meat.
Not true.
And if not true, say this man, this young man, Mama they call her another boy again.
Why you they call her man?
Now they shebo when they talk. When fish, big past fish, you go kill the other fish chop. This one not be ordinary small pikin again. This one don't talk to man. Person wey fit hold wetin dey bring man down within how many minutes.
Wonderful.
Not be small pikin again. Akodeja, if na true say these people really hold that gun, say they get consent about that gun, my brother, our society not clear again. Except say as English talk am, but again, how you will say you give you rubber bag, may you keep, you keep am, you comot, you no say vigilante dey pursue them. That means you fit dey hold ammunition, you fit dey keep am for your room for them before. Because you know if you talk say just give you, say na senior bros the big pass una. Say if una do gra they go maintain all of una. How? For my own apartment, even if you be too much baba, you know if you press me, give me what you are not carry. Because say if you go call, sometimes you go say take o. Maybe na make you dey keep am because you know say they no go fit trace anything reach your side.
Well, my people, now so good end this particular story. Make we take small break. Once we come, we knock on the second Ogbonge story for Izigan for this week. Well, my people, Edo State Police Commissioner Mr. Dan Malam Muhammad say the people when be say they kidnapped the managing director of Ogbazun in 2017 when be say his name now Mr. Andy Ehanire. He say indoor catch the kingpin. This will happen when they say they brief journalists on the achievement of the police command concerning how to reduce crime for the state. Make we hear from the police commissioner. Once we come, we'll call it hear from the suspect. May the suspect tell us what he know concerning this crime when the police say he commits so.
In continuation of investigation of the murder of 3 policemen at Oba Zoo and the kidnap of managing director of Zoo on 24 September 2017, one Michael Ayegi, alias Oeli, a key suspect in the mayhem, was arrested by the command on 26 August 2019. He confessed to the heinous crime and he is helping police in our investigation.
Yes, so my people, you don't hear from Mr. Dan Malam Mohammed. Well, make we hear from the suspect according to, well, make we just hear from the suspects.
When I was 12 in the midnight, now they hold me. When I reached here, the next day they brought me, carried me come outside. They say, I know about people who can work, Ogbazu work. I said, no, I don't know anybody. So they can't carry me go inside. So the next day they carry me come outside. So when they carry me come outside, now we come from there they talk. So I need to open for them. So I can't tell they say, I don't know the time where they go plan that plan. I don't know the time where they go work the work. But a friend will be lucky called me for phone. Say he need, when I saw wood for water side, they say he need 50,000 naira. I bought him 50,000. So I can't borrow 50,000 naira. So that 1 week time, he called me, say make I go meet him for village. The village name like Bogolo, that be the village name, Bogolo. So when I reached there, from there now he got tell me, say, they go kidnap person come. I say sure. Now go kidnap person come, he say yes. So I can't sleep till daybreak. I can't go back. So I can't go back.
What be your role for the kidnap of Andy and Ogbazu? Which role you play?
I know the role when I play, I not play any role. When they call me reach there, now I know say they go work. When Lucky call me, now Lucky now call me for phone. So when they call me say, when I reach there, now Lucky, I only know that Lucky with one boy that they call Friday with Penanu. 3 of them when I reach there now I don't know anybody. But when I reach there now they tell me say, see work where they go work come. I don't even see the person self. I don't even know him because the village is big. So I can't sleep till daybreak. I can't travel command because my wood dey line. So when I reach Apply Water side, I saw wood. The next 1 week time, now Lucky call me say, where I dey. So now I can't come. When I can't tell Lucky say make he come meet me. So when he come water side, he can't give me the 50,000 naira when I borrow him. So he can't give me 50,000 naira take drink. Say the work where they go work. So now waiting I know about for the Ogbazu. If not, I don't know. Even the boys when they go safe, I don't know them. I don't follow they go plan the plan. I don't follow they go do the work.
How much is this one for them? How much is this one for them? They say you sponsor now. How much is it?
I no do sponsoring, but Lucky will call me. He say, well, now Lucky that boy I know a true timber business, a black oil business.
What did they say want his money to do?
He say he need money. Won't use the money now. I come ask. I say, what he want use the money? They say he need their money. So now I give him that 50,000. But I don't know. See now the 50,000 naira now he carry go do that work. Oh, I don't know, but I give her 50,000 naira. I give her the 50,000 naira.
Then how much share did they give you?
How much you reach your hand?
Well, you told us that they gave you 850,000 naira.
How much?
Money way the Lucky can't give me to say the truth. That day not fear now they talk. If not, the only way he can't give me my 50. If you give me my 50,000 naira when I bought it, he can't give me 50,000 naira. I say, "Ma, take drink."
Only extra 50,000.
Hey, 50,000 naira he give me. Yes.
After the kidnapping.
Would you carry you go prison for Delta State?
What he carry me go when I reach prison? They give me charge of cultists and terrorists.
Well, I don't hear from the suspect. Or the suspect say in dey into logs when we say in they do, but that particular day they come meet and say they need money. As they need money, now I can borrow them. But unfortunately, maybe in a LAPO or probably microfinance or any of this thing, as you give them money, when these people call finish now, they call bring the money cause they add interest join am for am. But police say lie, say because this kind of today when they tell them, so you say no, you say they pass here, they pass everywhere common. You say because the story no genuine. Say because say that they put interest for that. You know, ask them the kind of trade when they trade before they call bring interest. So says
Akodeja, you see this kind matter. And they look at from 2 angles.
Okay.
When they ask this man, he say, because if you look this man now, he face strong well. If you see the way they talk, now God, I'm a mature person.
Okay. You see us so?
Not be so much Akodeja. He say when the man ask him money, he can say, okay, where you dey? He can go meet her. What do you want use money do? Say na business. As they talk, now that one come use that and say, he borrow them money, borrow a friend money, make it take do business.
Investor.
Then when he reach there, when he want go give her money, come say, nah, they just kidnap person. Now he come out. He never even bother to look the person. Then when he wants to collect the money again, as the guy they give her the money, he give her double, 100% benefit.
You good
my brother. Now I come to tell you, say, man, you do well, the deal pay well. The business when you use and do pay well. That's 100% benefit. You now, when you hear say person tell you say he do kidnapping, why you not carry that matter? Go report her to police. Say, see you, one of my friends, see what you say you do. You keep her to yourself because if you say it not concern you. And you say you don't even know who they kidnap, which means you don't know whether na your brother, You don't know whether na your papa, you don't know whether na your relation. Now they don't do now, the thing don't share like that. They can't trace the matter, call your hand, say now you sponsor the kidnapping. Now you dey tell us this blah 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 statement.
So you see, no one thing. I think our Nigerian police need to build confidence in the mind of the general public.
Yes.
This guy now supposed to say, okay, make it go talk,
or maybe
make it go report, say see what happen. But he go see the fear. He go can't go report now. They will come put the matter for your head.
That's his one.
You know understand?
Yes.
Because police should learn to call a spade and not a serving spoon. You know understand? You understand? So they need to look into the matter, because most of the system not too they corrupt. Because if this guy now can't go there, cause say see what happen now. They'll fit change matter for head. Not be lie, they tell you.
Yeah, but it also depends, because what you mean here, say some that they get for like that, and they go use and work. They go as another.
They use and work, but how many?
I mean, except that one. Well, anyhow, our people that don't they hear, and mostly the Nigerian police, this program, what they do, and sake of saying now because of work, who now they do, and make us still they try, let people know say see. Now they try. But as a college I talk just now, make una they do more. And if una they do na work, make una they do the way it's supposed. Make una not turn bad water, drink good water.
Well, my people, make we go for a small break. As soon as we come, we knock una the last Ogbonge Tori for Izigan for this week. Okay, my people. When we always tell people, say, make the removal come off for batty, not be lie with it, talk. This will call happen when we say some students of the university, lock call, however, run against them as a vigilante for the area, call link their secret, go give police, as police call catch them, they call, they confess to police, say, actually, they be courtist. And, well, make we hear from them, may they let us know what really happened and the kind of court when we say they join.
It's issues with relation to cultism. Yes. Ambrosalian University.
What course do you study?
Well, I'm a student of Ambrosalian University and my discipline is law.
Law?
Yes, sir.
So why did you decide to venture into crime?
Yeah.
Cultism?
Well, I didn't voluntarily venture into cultism at first. I was lured into it when I was still naive and young at the school during my matriculation, and to an extent I would say I regret all my activities and wish to renounce as soon as possible, sir.
Were any arms found on you?
Not at all, only Vikings regalia that were found in my apartment, sir.
So how were you caught?
It was with relation to some questioning. Actually, the local vigilante around there, they were questioning some of my movements, and which eventually led to my house being searched. And at the course of searching my house, the Vikings regalia were discovered, sir.
No gun was discovered?
No, not at all in my apartment, not at all.
What's your name?
I'm Inegbedion Sebastian.
Morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine,
What
sir.
brought you here?
I was caught in my apartment due to a crime relating to cultism. So some vigilante came to invade our house. They came to invade our house about 1 a.m. on Friday. So they said they were looking for Sebastian, which we all know he normally come around in our apartment sometimes. He normally comes around to visit a friend. So I opened the door for the vigilante. They searched my apartment. Nothing was found. But when we came here, they asked if I am a cultist. I said yes. What level? I said I'm an 100 level student. I told them I'm an 100 level student, electrical electronic engineering, that I was forcefully initiated into the cultists known as Vikings. And I was even working towards my renunciation. That is all I know about the Owe show.
Yes, so my people, as we always talk for this program, anywhere when you stay, anywhere when you live, let people for the area make them know you for good things, not be for bad things. Because like this kind thing when these two young men they talk, so you see one of them, a final year student of one of the biggest course for the world generally. Now he call happen say he can't face himself for inside this kind mess, because if actually police know say na pastor and a good things they do within the community, I'm not sure say they go the vigilante go link them up. Maybe vigilante don't do their own preliminary investigation. They don't discover say so kind they happen for the area. Now make them go report the matter. They call catch the critical. But as we speak, no, they don't find any gun with them. Now only souvenirs according to them. Now they found with them. But this kind of matter, you understand? And they always tell people it is not our wish to say we want to publicize people for television.
TV, yes.
But not to serve as a kind of deterrent to other persons when you want to do this kind of bad thing. You know understand? So that's all the matter be.
But quick. What interests me pass. Now the other young man, when they say, well, if you don't want join, you know if you join. Say that only they threaten you, not give up. When they say you they persistent, they don't threaten you. They say you don't want you, they will leave you. But if they threaten you small, you just join, you follow, they don't finish. And which means most people now don't they regret. Say they join court. Those who don't join for a very long time, they don't they regret. Say I think we will not say I saw this matter. B, we will not go join. But would they hear from some other person say they go join? Say not to fight oppression.
This one not talking like that.
No, would they hear from some other person?
Yes.
Say they go join. Say if they join, they will get power to fight oppression. Nobody will feel oppressed. At later, we consider here say after they don't join, now that they bring more oppression to their life. They know the rest. Once they hear giddy, everybody will begin to jump, enter bush like some calming babonemi people.
Well, my people, make we knock on the top Ogbonge Tori for Izigan for this week. Our fourth Tori for Izigan for this week. Young mechanics don't enter pepper soup for inside police hand. Sake of say they find gun for inside their apartment, mechanic and gun. Then they use gun, they repair motor. Oh my God. Police say ringleader for the kidnap of the managing director of Zoological Garden, Mr. Andy Hanere, he said they don't catch the kingpin for his hand, but the kingpin, because they deny say he no join, now only money in borrow out. Well, now court go court determine that one. Well, our last story for Izigan for this week, we say suspected cultists don't enter Wahala as vigilante leak them to police, as police catch them, critical like rat when fall for his oil. As we talk so, they don't regret to. If you be person when you say you do bad thing, remove and come off for bad thing, because bad thing no good. My name na Wellington Akodeja.
My name na Usaze Obogiate.
My people, till this same time, same station. Now here we go for drug cutting for today's program. My people, una bye bye you.